Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to new Quran Learning Center. Inshallah, today we're gonna start lesson number one of Norani Qaida. So, before start the lesson number one, we need to understand something. Lesson number one, introduction of few things we need to start understand before starting the lesson number one. Okay, if I ask you in the Arabic alphabets, how many alphabets are there? If you say 28, you are right. If you say 29, you are right. Why 28 or 29? The reason is in the Arabic alphabets there are 29 letters total. And the sounds letters are only 28. Again, in the Arabic alphabet there are 29 letters total, but the sounds letters are only 28. So which letter is used for stretch purposes? Like which letter has no sound? So the alif in the Arabic alphabet has no sound. So alif in the Arabic alphabet is used for stretch purposes. So again, there are 28 letters have sounds and the one letter does not have any sound which is used for stretch purposes, which is alif. So again, 28 letters have sounds and 29 letters are total. And the second thing we need to understand before starting the lesson number one, in the Arabic alphabets, there are heavy sounds and light sounds. What are heavy sounds and light sounds? The heavy sounds means the sounds remains in the mouth and mouth is full of sound. Like if I give you example like awesome. Okay? I'm not say like awesome, it's wrong. The correct pronunciation of this word is awesome. Okay? Then we're gonna start the lesson number one, then you understand better. But you roughly understand these things. And the second thing we need to understand light sound. What are light sound? The light sounds mean the sounds comes out of the mouth like cat. It's not a heavy letter, it's light letter. Bat, like light letter. So again, in the Arabic alphabet there are 29 letters total and the one letter does not has any sound which is used for stretch purposes, alif. And there are heavy sounds and light sounds. Heavy sound means the sounds remains in the mouth and mouth is full of sound. And light sounds which means the light sounds means the sounds comes out of the mouth like cat, bat. So I hope you understand these things. So let's begin the lesson number one. Lesson number one, the Arabic alphabets. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so the first letter of the Arabic alphabet is, it's look like this, and that one is Alif. 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 Please don't follow the English because in the Quran there is no English. And the second letter is, it's look like this, and there is a one dot on the bottom, and that one is Ba. 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 If you notice something, I told you before the lesson number one, in the Arabic alphabet there are 29 letters total, and the one letter does not has any sound which is used for stretch purposes, alif. And you can see in this example, like why I'm stretching the ba sound, because there is ba, because there is alif. Okay, so that's why I'm reciting ba. Again, alif, ba, ba. And the second one is, it's same look like ba, but there is two dots on the top, and that one is ta, 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 alif, ba, ta. And the third one is sa. This one has three dots on the top. Sa, sa. If you notice something, this one and this one are look like same, but which thing making them different? The dots. Ba has one dot on the bottom, ta has two dots on the top, and fla has three dots on the dot top. So dots are very very significant, dots making them different. Alif, ba, ta, sa. And the fourth letter is, it's look like this, and there is one dot on here. That one is Jeem, Jeem, Jeem. Alif, ba, ta, sa, Jeem. And it's also look like Jeem, but there is no dot on it, and that one is ha, 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 ha. Again, alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha.